Namaste, welcome to Home Hashtag Life. A very happy new year wishes to all of you. And today's video is all about motivation. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a few important but completely doable habits which motivate you to live an organized life. Follow the simple ideas to have a stress-free life. Now today I will share with you all my experiences which helped me immensely to be super productive and motivated even when I have hard times. So let's get started. Habit number 1, start your day with a detoxifying drink. Set up a corner in your kitchen where you can keep your detoxifying drinks like green tea or apple cider vinegar or few lemons and honey. When you visualize things, it helps you to understand your mood. A simple glass of detoxifier will boost your metabolism and bring more energy to your morning. So this is a very important habit. After waking up in the morning, just grab a detoxifier or a simple glass of water. So make it as a morning habit to stay healthy and productive. Habit number 2, and this is very important for me, change your night dress and wear your day. Even if you are not bathing, still you change your dress to give yourself an instant boost. Just take a minute to look into mirror, moisturize your face, just comb your hair, have an organized wardrobe, make it functional rather than beautifying it. You should know what you have kept where. So right after you waking up in the morning, when you open your closet, rather stressing yourself out, you can easily find what you want. So make a habit to change your dress in every single morning. Habit number 3, plan your day, make a routine and stick to it. While you are having a morning tea or coffee, just write down your to-do list. Don't make a huge list, make a short, and rather I will suggest make 2 lists, day to day and general to do. Transfer those work which is time taking in general to-do list and add prioritized work on day to-do list. You will be less stressed out and you will feel so happy when you strike off the list. Habit number 4, and this is a very important habit which I have set up over the time period, which is start your day with a motivational quote or a motivational video. Never forget to read a motivational quote or watch a motivational video while you are starting your day. In our busy monotonous life, we always need motivation to stay on top of our work. Sometimes feel like I can work for the whole day without a stop, and sometimes I feel like not to do anything, just sitting around and glued to my phone. Yes, it happens. But if I read a motivational quote or watch a video, it gives me instant energy to get things done. Now let me tell you, motivation is very slippery. If you think you watch one video or you read one quote and it will give you instant energy for 3 days, 4 days, it will not going to happen, my friend. If you follow me on Pinterest, you can see a motivation board there where I like to pin those quotes which I love or boost my mood, or I share motivational quotes on my Instagram and Facebook page. So if you wish, you can find me. Link will be there in the description box down below. So boost your motivation every day to stay organized and productive. Habit number 5, don't forget to listen to music or read a book every day. Set up an organized music station or keep few books which can be seen easily. For me, music lifts my mood instantly. I have a playlist where I have stored my favorite songs, or even if you want, just download it from YouTube and it will be stored on available offline folder. You can access it even without wasting your data or time. And if you love reading books, just have a cozy reading nook to motivate you to read more. Always remember, knowledge is power. So more power to you. Habit number 6, gift yourself an alarm clock. We all have a very bad habit to keep our mobile phone right beside our pillow or on nightstand and mostly use it as an alarm clock in the morning. No, I'm not going to tell you how harmful it can be. I know that you know. I just want to tell you or remind you or request you, break this bad habit and gift yourself an alarm clock and keep your mobile from out of your bedroom. It will save your health, it will save your time, and most importantly, it will save your relationship. Habit number 7, make a habit to keep your home tidy. Take 5 minutes from your busy life to keep your home clean and tidy. Now here I want to mention tidy home and organized home. Both are quite different. Tidy home means it will look nice from outside, and organized home, it is functional as well as it looks very nice. Now if you don't have time to organize your home, at least set up a habit to keep it tidy. Clutter brings mental stress, piled up clothes, untidy space, dirty surfaces contribute to upset your mood and pull you down. A clean space is so welcoming to do your work happily. So make sure to keep your home tidy to have a happy and productive life. This is last but not the least, be grateful. Whenever you feel negativity within yourself, you feel deprived, you feel sad, just look around you. You are blessed with so many beautiful people, you have caring friends, you have loving family, a beautiful nature is around you. So be thankful, be grateful, start your new year with a clean slate and take one step at a time towards happiness. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and please share it with your loved ones. And don't forget to let me know that which one you love the most in the comment section below. Subscribe to Home #Life for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye and have a very happy and productive life. Now I have a confession time, that's why I keep it at the last. I know many of the people will not stay at last, I know it. So the confession is this phone thing. I have an alarm clock, but this phone thing, keep out of your bedroom. I am struggling, but I'm trying.